In this video, I'm going to answer the question of where do you buy meme coins. Now, there's of course a lot of different platforms where you can buy meme coins. You can use Telegram trading bots and a bunch of platforms available online with different features, but I think the best one and the easiest one with all the premium features completely for free for beginners is actually Axiom Pro. Now, it's not just for beginners, it's also for some expert traders because it just is packed with features everyone would want to use and everyone is using that is making a lot of money. So in case you don't have an account with Axiom Pro account yet and you want to get started, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Trust me, you will not regret it. Now over here, when we're talking about where do you buy meme coins, you can just get started quite quickly. As you can see on Axiom Pro, it says deposit. You can click on that. If you have a different wallet where you're holding some Solana, what you can do is just basically send yourself some Solana over here to this address. This is going to be your address over here. Or if you don't have any Solana, you can just buy through Coinbase by clicking buy up here, and you can buy upwards of 500 USD worth of Solana just basically without any KYC, and they are powered by Coinbase, which means you can just buy it on Coinbase and you'll have it right away available over here on Axiom to start trading. So this is one of the best platforms, and in case you've heard what is Twitter, a Twitter tracker, so you have a Twitter tracker over here as well on Axiom Pro. You have the wallet tracker in case you've heard of these. You can trade perpetuals as well in case you one day wanna basically start doing this as well. You can change your fees, the slippage, priority, and bribe fees over here in different presets, and then basically it's just gonna allow you to trade very efficiently because they also have filters you can use. They also have a different, let me just go in, for example, inside this coin, you can use advanced trading strategies like take profit and stop loss over here. So there's a lot of things on here that you don't really find for free or don't even find at all on other platforms. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's where you can buy meme coins. I think this platform is the best. I use it myself as well. So as I said, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. Take your 10% off trading fees. You will not regret it. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.